Beeper Money, the famous app that was made by a 16-year-old by reverse engineering iMessages, is now seem to have broken for most users. They are no longer allowing Android users to send or receive iMessages. After Apple took further steps to block the app. A bipartisan group of lawmakers is now calling on the Department of Justice to look into whether Apple's action against the amount to potential anti-competitive conduct. Apple has consistently declined to make iMessage available on Android phone, viewing it as a key selling point for iPhones. There have been attempts by third parties to find workarounds, often with horrendous privacy implications. This included the sketchy approach by a previous version of Beeper back in 2021. Fast forward to this month, Beeper Mini was announced. It didn't require the user to use an Apple ID. They could simply link their phone number to the service. Apple quickly closed the loophole used by the app and effectively said it will take any other further action. Beeper fought back with an update which worked, now requiring users to create an Apple ID. Apple quickly killed that one too. The cat and mouse game continued, with the latest update saying that Beeper Mini is now broken for more than 60% of the users. US Senator Elizabeth weighed on it and said Apple is squashing competitors. Green text bubbles are less secure, so why would Apple block a new app allowing Android users to chat with iMessage users on iMessage? Big tech executives are protecting their profits by squashing competitors. Chatting between different platforms should be made easy and secure. So now a bipartisan group of lawmakers have stepped up a notch and called on the Department of Justice to carry out an investigation. They said, "We have urged the Department of Justice to investigate whether Apple violated antitrust laws by attempting to block Beeper Mini's access to iMessage." Senators Amy and Mike, along with the Representatives Jerry and Ken, have asked the Assistant Attorney General to look at the potential anti-competitive conduct of Apple.